What's up? Welcome back, guys. We are in Florida right now. We got the fam, we got the team. We're missing part of the team. We got Mike and Ethan.
Sports Logistics.
Yes. Fappy Bob's Barbecue hauled down Klaus and Mike's truck, and it did okay. I mean, I guess like 2 of the 4 straps broke, but no big deal. He made it, so that's fun. Whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and get unloaded, and you guys will never guess where we're at. Let's see if you know. There's a place where people do burnouts and donuts down here. There's a place back there. There's a shop with a dyno. It's weird. It's almost like if you guys might recognize it. We're gonna get Klaus unloaded and you'll see. Made it. Now let's see if you guys can recognize this shop. Love it. Oh, we got Liam over there. What's up, Liam? We are actually at Faster Proms right now. Jeremy's in there working away. They're super busy, but he's like, yeah, go ahead and stop out and do whatever work you need to do on the car. So we're going to drain the coolant and change the thermostat and see if that fixes it, do nut and bolt checks and other odd and end things that Klaus needs. So it's hot, sticky, but we're gonna get to it.
One eternity later.
It's the next morning. We are back here at Faster Proms again. We spent all last night doing everything we could to try to fix this overheating issue, and we could not get anything to work at all. So what we did last night to test it, we pulled the radiator, checked it all out, it's flowing, working fine. We changed a couple different thermostats. We even did a tapped one. We even pulled the thermostat, same problem. We filled it up from up here, we burped it. We got everything, but it's still got the overheating at idle problem, and when you rev it, it goes down. The only thing we could think of is there's something internally blocking. So what we're going to do is pull the heads off and check, see if a coolant port package or coolant port is blocked. We don't want to do it, but it's all we have left. Luckily, we're here at Faster Proms, such nice guys helping us out, so we're gonna get to work. All right, we got that off pretty quick. We're gonna pull the heads now and see what this looks like. My coolant ports are blocked.
They're on the wrong side.
They're on the wrong sides. Every single port is blocked.
Wait a minute.
So the only way I was getting coolant was this tiny passage right there. That's it.
They're on the wrong.
They're on the wrong side.
Oh, yeah.
We figured out the problems. Not a big issue. I mean, well, it was, but not the end of the world. The passenger side was put on correctly. See how the coolant passage is open, but on the driver's side, the gaskets, oh, it actually looked like this. It was set up like this, and it's blocked because Athena makes one gasket. That says front, you would assume it's put on correctly. But when you flip it to the other side, it says front down there with the coolant passage open. It's a mistake. It happens. It's not a big deal. There's no reason to cry over it. We're going to put the car back together and send it and see how it runs.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the final 10 minutes of the 2.4 hours, really an hour and a half play bullet. You guys ready to see the last 10 minutes or what? To win. Kurt Busch is going to eat on Kevin Smith.
Just riding on the back of George's trailer.
This how it works? That's how we do life, huh?
Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. Did we strap down this load? Is the load secured?
I feel safe as fuck.
Someone's gonna get hurt.
Where's the beers?
What's up, guys? We've been setting up at the Freedom Factory for like the last 3 hours. All this, we've been doing all this. It's fun, but now we're about done. We're gonna head home, shower, hang out for a minute, and then we'll probably be back out here in like 6 hours. And so, hey, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna end out this video here, and we will talk to you later.